Wow, Shark Family on their adventure. Hello to my talented artists. How are you today? Are you ready to dive in a very cool art adventure? Let's get going. One day in the deep blue ocean, Baby Shark was swimming happily with his family. Daddy Shark, Mommy Shark, Grandpa Shark, and Grandma Shark were all together, exploring the underwater world. "Let's play a game," said Baby Shark. "We can have a race to the big coral reef." "That's a great idea," said Mommy Shark with a smile. The sharks lined up, ready to swim as fast as they could. "On your marks, get set, and go!" shouted Grandpa Shark. Baby Shark swam as fast as his little fins could take him, but Daddy Shark was very strong. And Grandpa Shark was very wise. Mommy Shark and Grandma Shark were fast too. The ocean was filled with bubbles as they all swam towards the coral reef. As they got closer, Baby Shark saw something shiny hiding behind the coral. He stopped and called out, "Look, look! There is something here!" Everyone gathered around. It was a beautiful treasure chest. "What could be inside?" asked Grandma Shark. Grandpa Shark carefully opened the chest, and inside they found colorful seashells, sparkling, and a golden starfish. "This is amazing," said Daddy Shark. They decided to share the treasure and decorate their home with it. Baby Shark was very happy. "This was the best race ever," he cheered. And so the Shark family swam home, singing and laughing, ready for their next adventure. Wow, kids, I really like that story. What about you? What would you like to do with them? Would you share it with your friends? That's so kind of you. Now, let's take a look at our beautiful drawing. We have Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, and Grandpa Shark with that funny mustache. Now all we have to do is to draw Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark is so kind. She's got beautiful eyelashes and cute pair of glasses. we make our drawing so much fun with our creativity. For example, we can add some bubbles, draw some underwater plants, or some big rocks. You can even draw a treasure chest filled with golden seashells and starfish. But here, I'm drawing some seaweeds. And more underwater plants. What else would you like to add to your drawing? I love your ideas. They're all unique. Kids, remember that art is all about having fun and practice. Now, let's make our lines even darker and color the eyes black. It's coloring time! Yay! Let's start by coloring Baby Shark. Our baby shark is filled with this beautiful color. Excellent! Yellow. Baby shark is yellow. He looks so cute and happy. Now let's color beautiful Mommy Shark. We use the pink color for Mommy Shark. She looks kind and caring. Don't forget to color her back fin too. And her lips are red. Then we color Daddy Shark in blue. He looks big and powerful. What color is our Daddy Shark? Of course, Daddy Shark is blue. Now let's move on to our gentle Grandma Shark. She is filled with orange. Let's color her orange. The energetic Baby Shark is yellow, caring Mommy Shark is pink, and powerful Daddy Shark is blue. What color is the Grandma Shark? Very good, she is orange. Finally, we color Grandpa Shark in green. He looks strong and wise. Kids, don't color his eyebrows and mustache. Those are white. Now let's color those big rocks. And we're going to use our green color for the underwater plants and seaweeds. I'm using my dark green. Let's color our cute little bubbles. You can even add more bubbles all around our paper. And for the final step, we add some shadows. Ta-da! Very good! Our picture is now full of life and color. Great job coloring, little artists! See you soon!